Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. We have our Hero Squad program getting ready to kick off. Heroes are never alone. They band together. The Bulldogs decided to take on blood cancer and help raise funds to find a cure. We will kick off our Hero Squad program on February 8th, 2021. Hero Squad emphasizes the importance of social and emotional learning and gaining the experience of helping both children and adults in their fight against blood cancer right in our community. We are asking all of our Bulldogs to set up your own donation page at herosquad.org and join your Block 1A class to set up a page of your own. I've invited Miss Gianni to do a tech tip for how you can get started setting up your page. Shout out to Miss Gianni for organizing these events each year to give back to our community.
Hey everyone, it's Tech Tip Tuesday and it's Miss Gianni. I'm here to show you how to set up your Hero Squad online fundraising page. So you're going to go to herosquad.org. I can't type today. And you're going to go to parents and students. From here, you're going to go to find your school and type in Barnegat and then New Jersey. And then find. Brackman School will pop up. Maybe. There we go. And you'll click on Russell O. Brackman Middle School. And then you can click on join your classroom team or join your school team. So you're going to join your classroom team. All right, you're going to create a new account. And I'm just going to make not a fake account, but I'm going to use my business. Or you can sign up with your school email. And I'm going to click on sign up. And I am going to join a classroom. So I'm going to go to select and continue. There's no fee to register. You can either search by classroom name or you can search by teacher. So if you were a student in my 1A class, you can either search Gianni or you could search Gianni's classroom, and you're going to see right here, Miss Gianni's classroom is going to come up. So I would hit select and continue. And then you're going to select a shirt size, because if you reach a certain amount of online donations, you will get to receive a shirt in the mail. And then you're going to finish filling out your participation information, where to reach you. So you would put your address. Then you would put, if it's your home or your work, obviously, your phone number. And if this is your personal or a business email, and then you would select your own password and for your login. So and then you can change the name of your fundraising page. Like right here, it says T Gianni at the end. If I wanted to change it, I could do simple statements, because that's the business that I used. And then you agree. If you're not 18 years or old, you would get your parents or guardians to type this in for you. So if the participant is not, they would check here. and then full birth date. So I'm just gonna I'm over 18 and complete registration. So then you are going to be signed up underneath Miss Gianni's classroom. So all of your login donations will count towards the homeroom specifically. All right. So if you have a 1A class, you would do this for your homeroom. All right, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Miss Gianni, for sharing those helpful tips to help our students get set up. So you know what to do, Bulldogs. Sign up, make your page, and start raising funds to find a cure. Have a great Tuesday, and we will see you all next week.